Right, I thought I'd give it another go because obviously my first attempt was a bit of a disaster. Done all this manually, so I managed to get something resembling the output I would like, even though it's not quite how I want it. It will give me a basics for using AI, either anti-gravity or something else. Because obviously the link here with the assistant, which obviously they allege can do things for you. But unfortunately, I've linked it up with what I call a free. It's a free one. However, it doesn't work for the AI thing. Unfortunately, I can't get it working. I will try again, but the actual so let me see, just review the web page and make adjustments. Not type. Right, so having said that, and go, and it will go away and it will come back with, last time it did it with an error. I'm not quite sure. May well have. I'm not going to speak because we're talking before I'm was saying it's putting the cart before the horse. But last time I did it, it failed. It just said it can't connect with the AI, and the AI is not available or something like that. Obviously, it's reading that quite well, allegedly. It's only a very small web page, just an example. Seems to be reading it, which is very unusual. Well, that's just leading me down the garden path, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what it says. It'll probably come back with, this is a load of rubbish. Just to say that this is part 2 of my Bootstrap Studio review, latest version. They gave me a free key to try. They have no say over what I say, and they haven't got to see it before I do it. There's already part 1, if you want to go and watch that now. It's part 1 where I go through the website and go through the basics. I did make another video, which I haven't put on because basically I failed. So I decided that I would go away and have a look at the website and the YouTube channel and watch a few videos. And I did that, and they made it very simply my fault. I was doing it all wrong. That's why I couldn't do it. But then my argument is, if it's not intuitive, you should be able to come in there and do things without having to worry about too much. I like those sort of applications. I mean, CapCut is one of those. You can just go in there and drop things in and it will work. Whereas some of the larger sort of website design editor programs, there's such a steep learning curve that you spend weeks trying to find out how to do stuff. It just frustrates the hell out of me that they do that. And it's no sort of disregard for the fact that these programs are quite complicated. I mean, CapCut is quite complicated, but I can make videos with that, no problem. It seems to be that this has taken a very long time. And we're using the NVIDIA Nematron, which I believe I put on my hard drive, so it could be having a problem with that. And also I'm actually doing some other work on my computer, so it may be slow. And thirdly, I'm making this video, so it's obviously using OBS as well. So it could well be that my computer is being hammered with CPU. But if in doubt, what I'll do is I'll take a screenshot of the page as a basis and just see what the AI can sort out for me. For the moment, we're reading this file, so it's not got any further than that, and I'm not sure how long it will take.
2 very boring minutes later.
Okay, so in the bottom right hand corner, you can see that it come up with error, provider error. So provider has reported an error. So the AI has stopped working. It's not got any further than that. So AI doesn't work on this. And I'm not paying for AI. I'm paying for AI elsewhere. So I don't want to pay AI for this as well. I can't seem to link it up. I do have Olama. I do have that, and I do have VS Code, which works fine. VS Code works fine with Claude, the free version, and sort of anti-gravity, which is paid for. That works fine. Can't seem to link it up to this. Maybe I'm missing something. I don't know, but that's it. That's the end of that. I have managed to do a very basic page. It took me probably about an hour to get this far. So you can imagine doing a whole website. It would probably get easier. But unfortunately, even my page here is not perfect, because if you go on the mobile view, it's rubbish. Okay, so if you haven't enjoyed this short video, part 2, you know what to do. I will put the link down below for the actual software, because you may find it beneficial. Personally, I don't. It would take me a long time to get used to it, but then that's my problem, not yours. And obviously, it does work. It does create software. It does create the website. I haven't looked at the major files. I haven't looked at that yet. Maybe I should do that now. Let's go back to the normal view then, and yeah, run it again. Export. It says there. All right, okay, it's done it now. If we go back to it didn't do it before, but that's it. So it did do it in the end. It didn't do it the first time, but I think I'm lucky. And that is it. That's the actual file. I'm not going to bother trying to run it on my computer, but I'll take their word for it that it actually produces a good piece of software. And that's it. Right. Have a good day. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.